It's been a turbulent few months for outgoing Kenya Pipeline Company Managing Director Joe Sang. And to add to his troubles, DCI detectives came knocking on his door and arrested him over the loss of 1.9 billion shillings during the construction of the Kisumu oil jetty.
I've also given other concerts for prosecution that will ensue next week.
The DPP also approved charges against 4 other top managers at the corporation, including Company Secretary Gloria Kafafa, Head of Procurement Vincent Cheruiyot, Billy Aseka, the General Manager Infrastructure, Nicholas Gitobu, Procurement Manager, and Samuel Odoyo, the General Manager Finance. The top managers at the Kenya Pipeline Company are expected to answer to how Southern Engineering Company was paid 1.9 billion shillings for the construction against the approved 1.4 billion shillings. The 6 will be charged with abuse of office, willful failure to comply with applicable procedures in relating to the management of public funds, and engaging in a project without prior planning. Investigators have been looking into how the Kisumu oil jetty facility, which is aimed at boosting the transportation of oil products around East Africa, was conceived and how money set aside for the project was spent. For it to function optimally, Uganda and Tanzania hope to build similar jetties, but the project stalled due to lack of funds. The arrests come just after the Kenya Pipeline Company Board invited the DCI to look into the disappearance of over 20 million litres of fuel worth about 2.3 billion shillings. The firm says the oil spilled into the ground, even though there's no evidence of that anywhere. MD Joe Sang resigned 4 months to the end of his contract and under a dark cloud of corruption allegations hanging over the state corporation. His departure adds to the list of sudden executive departures at KPC. Hudson Andambi, who has been an alternate director representing the ministry at the KPC board, will take his place as the board sits next week to pick a permanent replacement from the management. The Friday morning arrests by DCI detectives reveal even more loss of billions of shillings of taxpayers' money by government officials. Come Monday morning, those arrested will be arraigned in court. We wait to see their fate from the courts. Mel Miendo, NTV at the DCI headquarters.